Oh,
Well, you think you're hard enough? Man's gonna knock you straight. Boom! You just signed up for a world of pain, cuz. What?
Yeah, that right here on the side.
allô?
Can you fix that thing? Oh, sorry.
Non. Allô? Ça va, merci, et toi?
You know who I am? I'll fucking run these
J'ai pas entendu?
You know who I am?
De 7 à 10 quand? Demain, non? Demain. Pardon? Oui, la salle sera disponible à partir de 7 à la fin à partir de 7.
Come on, bro. Come on, blood. Video game time. Video game time.
Okay. A new one?
I'm already live.
There is one that has the limited, the yellow.
Which one?
The one that's on you, maybe because of the
T-shirt.
Yeah, it's yellow. It's too late now.
They gave me yellow money.
For next time, it's too much.
Oh my God. Restart. Yeah, restart. I'll put a T-shirt on.
Je te dirais à ce moment-là, est-ce que parce que là, j'essaie de me reposer un peu, j'ai travaillé tantôt, fait que si on est à 9h30, si aux alentours de 10h, tu peux m'appeler, ce sera mieux. Ah, c'est ouais, tu peux faire ça. Ouais, je t'explique. Ou bien tu fais. Ouais, je t'explique. C'est pour ça, c'est pour ça. Ah, ok, c'est bon, ça fait plaisir. À plus tard. Bye.
You win. Let's find the thing.
Bare knuckle. Oh, snap, probably. I know why I get it.
Yeah?
It's the widow.
Is the what?
It's the widow. You gotta restart again.
What window? Hmm? C'est quoi?
Go to
Your...
stop that.
Yeah, this one? Okay, okay.